They say that health is wealth and that time is money. But can this $25 smartwatch actually bring prosperity? Welcome to Review, a series where we review cheap alternatives to desirable but out-of-budget items. And today, we'll be reviewing this $25 smartwatch. Yeah, that's what this is. Without further ado, let's get started. So right now we're going to be reviewing the aesthetics to what I see on the box and what I actually receive. So let's unbox it. Okay guys, first things first, I like to mention the packaging. I don't know if y'all can see the creases. It is pretty bad. So I would say that if you were to buy this for your friends and whatnot, I don't think it's a good gift because it literally looked like it got ran by a truck. And look at this, like this plastic here. I mean, it already is fragile, right? But there's no like extra packaging whatsoever. So if it comes in a mailing, it's gonna look as crumpled as it is. So it's not suitable for gifting. Okay, so there's like two elastic and rubber straps for you to hook on the watch. So here's the watch that we see. Oh, it's pink. It's pink. And then we also have the charger, which pretty flimsy. It's like those cheap plastic again. But I mean, to be honest, for $25, I'm expecting more because it's $25. And like, okay, so let's open this plastic. Oh, and it works because we charged it. Okay, and then, whoa! Oh my gosh. You can see the blood oxygen, heart rate, phone book, and even dialer. I mean, the English not that good, but oh my god, got different modes some more leh. Whoa! Got yoga mode, guys. Yoga mode. Oh, not bad. Oh my gosh. Gosh, can you see the... Okay. And what we see according to this box actually looks pretty similar, other than the fact that this is gold and this is pink. I don't see much of a difference here. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm about to fix this watch up. Bro, why is it so hard to... Oh my gosh. Why is it so hard to... Oh, okay, it's on. Okay, it took more than one try. I can't. This is not... Bro, for $25, I expect it to come like nicely for me, but like... Okay. Oh, okay, I got it in. Oh my god, it's actually pretty stable once I get it in. It doesn't like come out easily or pop off easily. Okay. Wow. Actually not bad for $25, but I'm not gonna lie, I think the function is pretty limited. So for $25, I'm actually expecting more because you know I saw that like Apple Watch, right? They can like play games, but I don't think this can lah. Yeah, it's an Apple Watch Dupe. Wait guys, I just realized I terbalik sia guys. I terbalik. I didn't put it right. Oh wait guys, by the way, I just want to know, so what kind of technology do you guys use at home to keep yourself healthy? Please leave it down in the comments below. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to connect my phone to the watch because I heard that the watch can be connected via Bluetooth. So let me just do it real quick. Okay, so on Bluetooth, right, the name is H13. That's a very weird name. Okay, but it's connected really fast. It's just connected already. And like, I just want to introduce... Oh, so there's airplane mode. Oh my god, you can even play songs. Wait, let me try. Okay, so I'm going to play some songs, but because of copyright issues, I'm just going to play my own video. And let's see if we can hear. See how well they attach to the holes of these Crocs. Attach pretty fast and pretty well. Guys, wait, this is... I'm so... Wait, it's quite shocking because like, I think it's even... This quality is better than the speaker, not gonna lie. Because that, you know like, the past episode, there's this like new speaker, right? That speaker is not that great. Like, it's very hollow, there's like this plasticky sound, but this is actually quite legit, bro. Right off. Oh my god, and it doesn't cause any like dents or crease. And I can hear it crisp, clear. Like this is, wow, this is next level. Okay, so moving on, you also have a night mode. I don't know how this works. Whoa, oh, you actually can change the frame of the watch also. It's pretty cool but I think one of the cons is that you cannot really set your own wallpaper, I think. So I think it works very similarly to the Apple Watch. Oh my god, there's Siri. Hey Siri. Oh my god, wait, it actually works. it actually works. Wow, if for $25 actually not bad, but I think it's a bit on the pricier side. Sorry. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna test on the audio quality by giving my friend a phone call. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
How have you been doing? Are you okay? Hello? Hello? Okay, so I can say it's half success. Maybe like, I think there's some technical error, cause, let me try again. Hello?
Yeah.
I'm filming now. I wanted to test about this watch quality. Can you hear me crisp clear?
Yeah, say yes.
Wait, you can hear me like crisp clear, is it?
Yes.
Like, how clear?
Very clear. Why?
Nothing, I'm just testing on a new product. Wait, actually quite legit eh. Do y'all see the vibrations when it came in and it even displayed the number, but I'm not sure why it never displayed the contact, so I think that's the only cons about it. Oh, actually not bad. Oh my gosh. And there's actually like legit vibrations. I'm quite surprised. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna try on this selfie mode, like whether I can take picture through the watch, cause I think there's a function that can do that. So let me first find where that function is. Oh, I don't think it works, guys. I connected it though, and everything's working fine. It's just that when it comes to that, I'm not sure why. Also, another thing is that even after my phone has connected to the watch, right, it doesn't say the exact timing and the date or the day. So I'm not sure how we're gonna have to operate this because there's no instruction manual. So it really is a bit confusing if they don't give any instruction manual. Yeah. Okay guys, final thoughts. For the price of $25, I think I'm expecting a little bit more for a dupe. I think it might work better if there is like an instruction manual so you actually know what you are doing. But other than that, I don't actually see why it is worth $25 in my opinion. But I think one pros of it is the speaker. So in conclusion, should this actually be viewed or is this actually valuable? In my opinion, I think it should just remain viewed. So as you can see, it's like rose gold and it's actually like super cute, and you know, like what's not to love about this, right? But for the fact that it keeps like offing on its own accord and not what I would look for in a watch, in a sense, like I can't really text anyone, I can't really play any games here, and it's just like it looks like it honestly functions like a kid watch to me, so it's not really worth $25 in my opinion. Yeah. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you'd like to see the following content. Please remember to leave it down in the comments on what you'd like us to review next, and see you guys in the next episode. Bye!